Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro 120 degree elbow. So this is a very simple little gadget. This is going to fit onto your second stage. I've got one with me so you can see what it actually looks like. Just gives that extra little bend so that so the hose doesn't have to come straight out of the second stage. So both of these are a traditional 9/16 UNF thread, so it should fit with pretty much any traditional second stage, as long as it doesn't have any kind of fancy swivel joints or any unusual fitting. This should fit pretty much any. So I got with me an XX50, and it basically just screws on. This is Scubapro's high torque sort of nut, so it's best done with one of their tools. And then this again is 9/16, so that takes the traditional hose. So you can screw that on, and as you can see, now the hose comes in at 120 degree angle. So especially if you're using it with a kind of long hose primary donate, so that hose now goes sort of around the back of your head, instead of having a weird sort of angle that comes straight out and then it has to bend around, you've got a little bit of a bend in that, so it can then go around the back of your head a little bit more naturally. Or it can sort of route over your shoulder just with on a single cylinder setup. It just kind of takes that sort of stress out of that angle, and even when it's pressurized, it can kind of swivel on that joint, so you don't have to worry about it coming in just at one particular angle. So it's really nice just to take that edge off that angle, so your hose doesn't have to route in straight out of your second stage. You get a little bit of flexibility on where it can sort of route away from your second stage. So handy bit of kit. This is the Scubapro 120 degree elbow. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.